Welcome back to our channel where we empower you to achieve financial freedom. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss the power of compounding and how it can help you achieve your financial goals. If you're ready to take control of your financial future, this video is for you. So let's dive right in. The concept of compounding is simple yet incredibly powerful. It involves reinvesting your earnings, allowing them to generate additional returns. Over time, this compounding effect can snowball, resulting in significant wealth accumulation. So, how can you harness the power of compounding to achieve financial freedom? Let's break it down into three simple steps. Step one, start early. The first step to leveraging the power of compounding is to start as early as possible. Time is your greatest ally when it comes to compounding. The earlier you begin investing, the longer your money has to grow. Even small amounts invested regularly can make a substantial difference over time. Let's take an example. Say you start investing $100 per month at the age of 25 and earn an average annual return of 8%. By the time you're 65, your investment would have grown to approximately $415,000. However, if you delay starting until the age of 35, your final amount would be around $206,000. That 10-year delay cost you almost half of your potential wealth. So don't wait and start investing today. Step two, be consistent. The second key to harnessing the power of compounding is consistency. Regularly investing and reinvesting your earnings compounds the growth of your investments. Set up a systematic investment plan or contribute to retirement accounts like 401k or IRA. Automating your investments ensures that you stay consistent regardless of market conditions or distractions. Let's say you invest $1,000 at the beginning of every year for 30 years, earning a 10% annual return. By the end of those 30 years, your investment would have grown to approximately $190,000. Consistency pays off. Step 3, harness the power of compound interest. The third step is to understand and leverage the power of compound interest. Compound interest is an interest earned on both the initial investment and the accumulated interest from the previous periods. It's like a snowball rolling down a hill, gathering momentum and growing larger over time. Let's consider a scenario where you invest $10,000 at an interest rate of 7%. After 1 year, your investment would grow to $10,700. In the second year, you would earn interest not just on your initial investment, but also on the $700 of interest from the first year. This compounding effect continues, and over time, your investment grows exponentially. Now, let's talk about some practical ways to maximize the power of compounding. Invest in assets with compound growth potential, such as stocks, mutual funds, or index funds. Reinvest dividends and interest earned. Instead of taking them as cash, reinvest them to purchase more shares or assets. Stay invested for the long term. Trying to time the market or engaging in frequent trading can hinder the compounding effect. Remember, time in the market is more important than timing the market. So there you have it, the power of compounding and how you can leverage it to achieve financial freedom. By starting early, being consistent with your investments, and harnessing the power of compound interest, you can set yourself on a path to long-term wealth accumulation.